Romel Palan. Jefferson, pinakasadit na abay.
Nagkakalala kami niya nung college kami sa Daniel Bay Peña po. Criminology siya, tsaka commerce po ako noon.
Ay, Korea! Sabay!
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes, I do.
Ba? Robert Di Marinda, asawa ko.
Yan yung gift ko sa'yo kasi attitude ka sa bag. Alam ko makakatulong yan sa daily work mo at sana magustuhan mo. I love you, Bak.
Are you both ready to raise as good Christians the children of God will give you?
Yes, Father.
Yes, Father.
You are meant to become one in flesh, and your union does not simply lies in the flesh, but you are called to become united in mind, in body, and in heart.
There's no words to show you how. No song that's come from
Siya yung tao, syempre may takot sa Diyos, mapagmahal sa family, and yung may pangarap sa buhay.
Papunta akong Manila. Sa upuan, siya yung katabi ko. Pero dati ko na siyang katext sa Peña. Hanggang sa pagbaba namin sa bus, sinagot niya na ako, kami kagad.
Ngayong araw na ito, tinatanggap kita bilang aking asawa, bilang liwanag ng aking buhay, at maging ilaw ng aking buhay.
forever and always. Put you before me till the end of time.
Sigurado kapirmis ako nadadagit dahil sa mga kasalan ko minsan. Or minsan sigitang iwal or pasuway. Pero aram ko, padabaon takang maray. Padabaon mo man ako. Kaya see you later ba? I love you.
Bert, congrats. Best wishes. Cheers! Woo! Cheers!
Yung pagiging matatag namin sa isa't isa. Kasi ang dami namin pinagdaanan sa buhay. Pero eto kami, ikakasal na din. Finally.
Sana magustuhan mo. Happy 10th anniversary, I love you.
I vow to love you with a kind of love that grows deeper with time, flourishes in laughter, but endures in hardship. Thank you for being the one my soul chooses over and over again. Padabaong taha.
Forever and always. Put you before me till the end of time. Right until to my last breath rolls in. Oh,
Your marriage is not simply a human contract, but now becomes a supernatural reality.
Ikaw ang aking sandigan sa oras ng pangailangan at kasama sa bawat tagumpay. sa lahat ng naririto at sa harap ng Panginoong Diyos, nangangako akong mamahalin kita at aalagaan hanggang ako ay nabubuhay. I love you ba?
Put you before